I found it pretty good, to be quite honest. I think that you responded, or Paradise responded, really well to what we wanted to get out of the job, and you listened. And each time that we met, you could sort of tick off how you responded to what we've done. You didn't try and hide away from things, and you tried to come up with, creative solutions
Yep.
to achieve them. And I guess the funny thing was that last week I was clearing out my notes on my computer, and I came across the one we had, which was desires that we wanted for the house, and we pretty much ticked them all off.
But I think also in terms of the process, what was great was that you'll probably laugh at this, but we never felt rushed. But even, sitting, in those chats trying to come up with the design, and then we change our mind or say, can this be done? We never felt rushed or sort of thought, oh man, he's just thinking, oh, here we go again. So, and that was good because that helps with the trust as well.